So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our Swiss franc JPY. So first thing first, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button guys. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update we are going to be posting for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. Now let's see what we are going to be expecting for the week on our Swiss franc JPY. So let's start with our higher time frame for the week. Now, if you remember, last week we did analysis on Swiss franc JPY. I told you guys clearly that Swiss franc JPY will give us a bullish move for the week, and this is exactly what market did. Market eventually gave us a bullish move. So with this movement right here, this is about 230 pips. So if you had entered the buy and moved, trade according to how we predicted it, right? How we predict, right? You would have actually grabbed about 230 pips, right? Movement. So this is one of the reasons why if you are new and you've not subscribed, so click on the subscribe button right now so you will not miss out on the next quality update. Now, let's start with the trend on our weekly time frame on Swiss franc JPY. Take a look at the trend. As you can clearly see on our Swiss franc JPY, we are in an uptrend move. As you can see, market is giving us a series of higher high and higher low. So this is the first movement that market did give us, which is the impulsive move, which is an high. Then this is a corrective phase, which is an higher low. Market then was able to give another impulsive move, which is an high, and here's a corrective phase, higher low. The market then was able to push up again to form a new high, and there comes the higher low. Market then push up again to form a new high, and here comes the higher low, right? Now, market was able to push up again to form a new high, and here comes the pullback phase, which is an higher low, right? Market then was able to push up again to form a new high, and now we will be expecting market to give us a pullback, which will be forming an higher low. So right now, this week, we will be expecting Swiss franc JPY to give us an higher low. So this week will be a bearish, some sort of a bearish move for us. So we're expecting a pullback on Swiss franc JPY, and that pullback should give an higher low. So that is what we should be expecting on Swiss franc JPY. So a bearish move is what we should be expecting. Now let's go down to the daily time frame, right, guys? Yeah. What is your trend on your daily time frame? Can you see right here? You can clearly see that market is trending to the upside also. By any, you can just enter at anywhere and then you will hold the price for markets to push right, push up further. Now this is the movement right here. This is the impulsive move that market did give us, and here comes the pullback phase. Market then was able to give us another impulsive move, and this is the pullback phase. Now market then was able to give us another impulsive move, and this here is the pullback phase. Then this is also the impulsive move right now. So we will be expecting market to give us a pullback phase. So this is the pullback we are expecting for the week right now. So let market give us a pullback. So once if market can give us a pullback and it wants to start pushing up, I'll make sure I give you guys the update. Whenever it wants to start pushing up to give us a new high, I'll make sure I give you guys the update. So in order for you not to miss out on that update, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. Follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So overall, I would say that if you're a position trader going for the buy, hold your buy position, because in the next 3, 4, 5 months, right, you should be making nothing less than 5,000 pips, right? You will be making nothing less than 5,000 pips on this.